My blood sugar numbers went down to in the lower 90s. My highs were 100 to 110. I have dropped 60 pounds to today.
I went in last week and the doctors had me go off of almost all of my blood sugar medications.
I've lost about 40 pounds. I dropped off of several of the medications.
I've had this neuropathy thing. That's pretty well gone.
The real reason it's so hard to drop blood sugar naturally, well, it isn't due to age or weight. It's because very few people are equipped with the proper knowledge. Now, medical experts typically say, clean up the diet and get more exercise. But why does this generic advice always fail? It's because there are too many foods and drinks that can sabotage any efforts. Even the so-called healthy drinks that spike blood sugar, which can offset the benefits of an hour-long treadmill session even. My name is Joe Barton, one of the world's best-selling authors on natural ways to drop blood sugar. Now, I specialize in natural methods because too many people have a very dim outlook after they get a type 2 diagnosis. They're never taught about what to avoid in grocery stores. Well, that's why I created a special presentation that goes into detail, the simplest way to drop blood sugar today. Watch the free video by clicking below.